box it is to do some work.
Excuse me, Mrs. Christina, may I use the bathroom?
Okay Dora, please hurry back, you all got huge work to do.
Today is April Fool's Day. I am going to pull the fire alarm switch when actually there is no fire. Now I need to get out of here before Mrs. Christina suspects me.
Is that fire alarm? Goes off. Please get in line please. Single file.
Dora, why are you home so early?
Because the school year is ended early. So they all got 5 months off.
Oh really? You will go to your room right now.
Let's sit back, relax and watch the news. Dora. Get over here right now.
What is it, Mom, Dad, and Abuela?
Dora, how fucking dare you pull down the fire alarm when it's actually no fire, as a April Fool's joke? No. So no.
But not only that, you scared the fire department, and that's terrible. Miss Clementine said that you are expelled forever. And finally, Miss Clementine is about to call the police.
That is so it. You are grounded for 0 pentagon years. With now everything you like and hate, and there would be no more school for you. No homeschool, no more homework, no more teaching, and no more education for you. Now go fuck to sleep right fucking now, and think about what you have done to the school and the fire department.